Hi, my name's Amanda and I'm with the Lloydminster Public Library, and I'm going to be showing you how to make your disco ball craft that goes with the story time today. So I've got this kit. You could pick this up at the library. They're free. You just come on in and you grab one. And it's got a whole bunch of stuff in here. So we've got information about Anne, who just read a wonderful story. We've also got some construction paper and a coloring page. That's cool. And we also have this cool disco ball. Let's see, what else do we have in here? I've got some sheets of foam stickers. I'm gonna have to dump the rest of this out. That's empty. I've got some nice sparkly ribbons. I've got tin foil. And I have tissue paper. And I have sequins and some cool stickers. This is all stuff we can use to decorate our disco ball. All right, I'm just going to put those aside. I also have some crayons and markers and glue and tape that you can use. So the first step is you can cut this out. So I'm going to do that. You might want to ask your mom or dad for help, or your grandma or grandpa. Maybe you have older siblings. Cutting stuff out can be hard to do. It doesn't have to be perfect though. I'm most certainly not doing a perfect job. All right, there we go. And I'm gonna take my glue stick and I'm gonna glue it down. All right. I'm getting glue all over the table. That should be good. Glue this disco ball down. Awesome. Now we just have to decorate it. So we're going to use, I think I'm going to use tin foil here and maybe some of this tissue paper. It's really shiny. You might have sparkly tissue paper. It might not be the same as the stuff I have. We just kind of put assorted things in here. I think I'm gonna, yeah. Oh, this is gonna be good. I'm just gonna use my glue stick. Oh, look, this is gonna look awesome. It's gonna be just like the craft in the story. It's gonna look super cool. And it'll be shiny. Use some of this gold and silver. I think that's a great combination. Whoopsies. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oh, look how cool this looks. All right. All right, let's see. We've got some stickers here. Let's put some stickers on. Oh, I want to put this cat on. Looks just like me, even has glasses. Wow. I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Look at that. That looks great. And let's put some more of this on. Maybe you have glitter at home. You can decorate with glitter. I don't have any glitter with me today. I didn't want to make too much of a mess, but if you're at home, I'll definitely crack out the glitter. Can't have a disco ball without some shining glitter. Oh, yeah. Look at that. You know what? I'm just going to put gold all the way around. Yeah. Sister likes gold, so this is for her. I put some of that sequins on too. Oh, looks beautiful. This, oh, look at that. Look how shiny it is. It's super duper shiny. Now I'm going to get some crayons. I think, well, let's see. You know what? Let's put some more stickers on here. I've got a ladybug. And I've got a little caterpillar. You can go down here. And I got a butterfly. Oh, yes. And it looks like I've got some beetles. Oh, they look really cool, actually. Awesome. And then I got a bumblebee, too. Let's put the beetles there. Oh, this is beautiful. I think I'm doing a great job. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks great. Now let's get some crayons in here. I've got some silver. I'm gonna make it look all the shine. Yeah, and you can use any colors you want. You can use markers. Maybe you have paint at home. Wouldn't that be cool? Oh yeah, yeah. Let's do that. Let's do. Oh. Where's my gold? Is this gold? No, that's copper. I want gold. We don't have enough gold on this. Oh, there it is. The gold crown. Oh, yeah. You know what? I might put some copper in here too. It's going to be just so bedazzled. Won't color over the glue though. Oh, that looks great. And then I've got this shiny ribbon. You know what? I think I'm just gonna, maybe you want to hang it. You can hang it. I'm gonna use some tape. But if you have a hole punch, you can hole punch a little spot and then you can hang it up. So line it up like this. Oh, look at that. So then I can hang it. And you know what? I wasn't gonna, but I think I'm gonna put some sequins down here in the at the bottom. Glitter would be really good though. Let's see. Ooh. Come on, you. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, this looks brilliant. The only downside is I'm gonna have to wait for this to dry now. All right. Ah. Come on, glue, work. There we go. Yeah. All right. And if you're done, if you really like it, you know what always makes a professional picture is if you sign it. I'm gonna sign in, yeah, I'm gonna sign in silver because it shows up better. So I'm gonna put my name. There you go. And then I'm gonna put the date, 2022. That way I'll always know. And then I'll just let it dry and that's it. You're done. After it's all dry, you can hang it up on your fridge or in your room. Maybe you want to give it as a gift. That's it.